Ingredients required for preparing masala coke are crushed ice cubes, salt, chaat masala, lemon juice of 1 lemon, approximately around 1 tablespoon, black salt, black pepper, roasted cumin powder, and of course some coke. So let's start preparing it. So preparing it is very easy. We will take a glass, add lemon juice to it and all the spices that we are using. I am going to add some chaat masala to it, approximately around 1/4 teaspoon, salt, same approximately around 1/4 teaspoon. All the spices that we are adding or masalas will be 1/4 teaspoon. And lastly the black salt. I like to add a pinch of sugar to it. This is optional to add. You may also skip it. So now we are going to mix it. We'll add some ice cubes to it. You may also use chilled cola instead of adding ice cubes to it. Mix well. So it is somewhat mixed now. So now nothing to do, just pour some cola over it. So now some people like to drink it fizzy. So as soon as they add cola to it, they drink it. But sometimes we need to let it rest. We are going to fill it with cola. So as we have used crushed jeera in it, the jeera is floating on top. You may also use powdered one so that they mixes with the cola and does not float on top, and it makes it looking more delicious. What you can do is if you want to drink it fizzy, which tastes more delicious, you can add cola just before drinking it. I mean when you add the cola, the fizz comes on the top and you can drink it right away. It will be more tastier. I drink it like that at times, but today I have served like this. So thank you for watching.